Hello everyone, Dara here with a quick tutorial on creating quizzes in Google Classroom. Let's dive right into a Google Classroom homepage. When you open up Google Classroom, you will be on the stream page, but we're going to be working from the classwork page. We're going to go to Create and Quiz Assignment. It's going to pop up an assignment. We'll put in a title and then start our quiz creation. Once again, you're going to put a title. Then you'll start with your first question. My first question is always first name, required. And then it is last name, also required, before I move into my content-based questions. Question 1 will be titled Question 1 because I'm going to import an image for this question. I'm going to import it from my Google Drive. I've already put JPEGs of the question that I want in my Google Drive. And my answer choices are just going to be numbers. This may look familiar to a Horizon quiz, but the perk of using Google Quizzes is that it's a lot more device friendly. Now, how a Google quiz differs from a Google form is this answer key. I'm going to click answer key. I'll assign the point value for this question, which is going to be 1, and I'll select my correct answer. At this point, you can continue adding questions, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and preview my Google quiz so that I can show you what the back end looks like. We're going to do a test run here with George Hernandez. And George Hernandez is going to select the answer choice 6. He's then going to submit his form. In order to see how George did on that quiz, I'm going to click back to my quiz that I have been creating before, and I'm going to click on responses. You can see some data here associated with the quiz on the form page, but if you click Create Spreadsheet, you can create your spreadsheet for all of the quiz results. In here, you can see the timestamp, you can see the score, you can see the first name, last name, and the responses. Now, the one last thing you have to make sure to do is once you've created your quiz, you're going to assign it. I hope that you have learned a thing or two about creating quizzes, and good luck using in your classrooms.